You're listening to the E-Commerce Minute, your daily dose of e-commerce and tech news, presented by Sumo Heavy. Here's your host, Bart Mraz.
This is the E-Commerce Minute for Wednesday, September 27th, 2017. Albertsons grabs meal kit startup Plated for $200 million.
The battle for meal kit supremacy rages on. The latest move was by grocery chain Albertsons, who announced they're buying the healthy meal kit delivery startup Plated for between $175 and $200 million. However, that price may double as the supermarket chain has agreed to earn-out payments based on how Plated grows. This is the first big acquisition of a meal kit startup by a grocery chain and not an e-commerce company. According to the Wall Street Journal, Plated will become a subsidiary of Albertsons, and customers will soon be able to purchase a rotating selection of meals from the startup for delivery or pickup from the nearest location of the grocery store chain. The reason for the acquisition is simple. The meal kit space is growing as a $2.2 billion industry, and grocery chains are feeling increased pressure as they must compete with meal kit delivery services like Blue Apron, meal delivery services like Uber Eats, and grocery delivery from companies like Amazon Fresh. Purchasing Plated, in theory, will give Albertsons, who owns the Safeway chain with around 2,000 store locations, a new way to increase revenue and connect with a new generation of food buyers. Albertsons CEO Bob Miller told the Wall Street Journal, "We think there's an opportunity to grow this thing tremendously," adding his grocery chain will give the startup a cost advantage. Plated co-founder Josh Hicks will remain the CEO of the company after the close of the deal, according to Albertsons.
Sorry.
I was like, are you that stunned?
Stunned. Sorry, guys. Mike was on mute and it wasn't coming out.
Stunning news today.
Stunning.
Bart is speechless for the first time ever.
Yeah, I know. That's kind of funny. So this isn't kind of interesting. I mean, Blue Apron went public, and it's not doing
well.
And it was actually on the news of, I guess, Amazon just putting it out there and say, fuck it, just like out there, you know?
Right.
Plated, we'll see. I've seen it. I've seen it around, and there's tons of them. Hell First is the other one. Who knows where this is gonna go?
Here's what I like about this, is that you can pick up your meals at the store. You don't have to get it at your house. So it could be one of those, hey, running late, I'm going to go pick up a meal kit. I would even prefer to do that sometimes. I mean, obviously, yeah, sometimes a pizza is like just the easiest thing in the world. But you want to try to eat right, I would rather go pick up a meal kit at an Albertsons than pick up a pizza.
Right. No, absolutely. I would totally do that.
And they price these around, what, $10 a person per meal? That's generally what it is. Yeah. I mean, I pick up garbage food and I spend 3 times that much and have nothing but sadness after I'm done eating it. So I think this is a smart acquisition by Albertsons. I don't have any around me. But yeah, I think this is great. Great for them.
Yeah. See how it goes.
All right. We'll see how they compete against the other meal kit players.
I guess you're going to have to try it out there, sir.
I guess we're going to have to try it out. All right. Anything else?
No, that is it, sir.
All right. Now I'm getting hungry. That's your e-commerce minute for today. We'll see you on the internet tomorrow. That's it for today. If you like the show, make sure you add us as a favorite and share this with your friends. Please follow us on social media at Sumo Heavy. And finally, if you've got a question, comment, or suggestion for the show, call us on Anchor. Until next time, we'll see you on the next e-commerce minute.
The podcast you just heard was recorded with Anchor. If you want to make your own, download the Android or iOS app completely free from anchor.fm/podcast. That's anchor.fm/podcast.